Alright, hey guys, it's John with another how-to video real quick here. So, I was just at the store, bought the the 128 gig Samsung SD card. So I figured I'd go over real quick how to change these out for you. So let's start with making sure your phone's turned off. Then you're going to pop out your SIM. Bear with me here. You know what? Hang on a sec. Right about here. You take this, put it in the hole, like so. Put a little pressure on it until it pops, like that. You can see. There you go. So what just fell out of mine was my SIM. Let's go ahead and put that back in. Alright, there we go. So there's the SIM. Now I got that back in. Let's go ahead and get my SD card out of here. Alright, make sure I bought the right one here. There we go. I don't know about y'all, but I've got about 1 million of these things, so we're not worrying about that at the moment. Let's go ahead and get this SD card in, shall we? You're gonna see the little lip here, right there. You're gonna go ahead and line that up. Sorry about my hands getting in the way here, guys. Okay. Let me take a quick peek at this. Okay, make sure I'm doing it right here. We're going to reinsert this thing into the phone. Like so. Now let's go ahead and turn this thing on. And there you go, guys. That is how you load the SD card. So, if you like that review, or that tutorial rather, go ahead and hit like down below, and go ahead and subscribe for many more videos. Thanks a lot.